how to solve the 5x5 Rubik's Cube using the aSolver app. If you want to know and learn how to solve this 5x5, please watch the full video. Hello Cubers and non-Cubers, welcome back to my channel. This is my alter ego. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to get notified of my next video. This is the Rubik's Cube 5x5. 5x5x5. For today's video, we are going to learn how to solve this cube 5x5 using an app. But first, we have to scramble the cube. This is the scrambled Rubik's Cube 5x5. Then we will try to solve this one using the aSolver app. This is the aSolver app that you can download in iOS. For this video, we are going to choose the Professor's Cube, which is the 5x5x5. After pressing the Professor's Cube, we are going to scan our scrambled 5x5. And then after scanning, we are going to press done. Then we have to follow the rotation of the cube. Then press done. Done. Rotate counterclockwise. Then scan, then press it done, clockwise again, counterclockwise, then we have to press done, then the last phase, scan, then we are going to press done. The app is now reading the solution of this cube. From here, we can select the list. So these are the solutions of the cube. You can do it manually. And also, you can choose here to play either make it faster or slower. For this video, we are going to choose slower. And then we are going to choose play. First, what we are going to focus is the important thing is the front page. This is the front page. Blue, green, white, orange. Blue, green, white, orange. On the right face, white, 3 whites successive, then a red is followed by another white. So we are on the right position of the cube. Also on the upper face, yellow, this is the yellow, green, red, and so forth. So we have to follow the solution. After this one, we are going to press play to follow the instruction.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive, makes a passion. Every word I move so descriptive. like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it, being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you're on I think it's inferior, you know I'm always being superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, you can still do that. So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it, being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, you was built to last.
One turn, second turn for right face, front face, twice, second turn for front face, clockwise, down face, second turn, second turn for right face, then the down face, and counterclockwise, second turn for right face. We're almost done. One more turn. One. Then the last turn. And yes, we solved the cube. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Asolver app. It's very useful on how to solve the Rubik's, the 5x5, also known as the Professor's Cube. Okay, cubers and non-cubers, this is my alter ego. I hope you learned something out of this Asolver app. It's very good, it's very accurate on how to solve this complicated 5x5 Rubik's Cube. Okay, cubers and non-cubers, this is my alter ego. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to get notified of my next videos. To God be the glory. Happy cubing!